Samsung has a free app built into Galaxy phones that claims to let you make a real difference in the world. But you might be wondering, what is the Samsung Global Goals app? How does it work? And is it actually worth using? Let's break it down. What is the Samsung Global Goals app? It's an app developed by Samsung in partnership with the United Nations. The goal is to support the 17 UN Sustainable Development Goals, like ending poverty, fighting climate change, and ensuring clean water for all. Available on most Galaxy devices and also on the Google Play Store. And the best part? It's completely free to use. How does Samsung Global Goals work? There are a few different ways the app works. Learn and explore articles, videos, and updates on global issues. Add donations. Watch ads. Samsung donates the revenue and matches it. Direct donations. Contribute via Samsung Pay or Google Pay, one-time or recurring. Lock screen and wallpapers. Enable ads or wallpapers. Revenue goes to causes. What can you do inside the app? Here's what you'll find once you install it. A Goals tab where you can dive deep into each of the 17 global goals. An updates feed with new stories, podcasts, and actions you can take. A leaderboard showing how much you've contributed compared to others. A donation history so you can track your impact over time. Tips to get the most out of it. Turn on charging screen ads for passive donations. Pick a cause you care about most for focused impact. Check the app daily for small actions that add up. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. So what do you think? Would you actually use Samsung Global Goals to contribute toward real-world change? Or do you think it's more symbolic than practical? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And hey, if this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more no-fluff tech explainers that actually make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.